In this video, we will explore the 10 smallest birds in the world and delve into the intricate details of their unique habitats. 9. Black-capped chickadee, Poecile atricapillus. Habitat: North America. The black-capped chickadee, at 5.1 inches 13 centimeters, is renowned for its distinctive call and playful nature. Thriving in North American woodlands, this little bird has developed impressive memory skills to locate cached food. 10. Goldcrest, Regulus regulus. Habitat: Europe and Asia. The goldcrest is considered Europe's smallest bird, measuring around 3.5 inches 9 centimeters. Inhabiting coniferous forests across Europe and Asia, its high-pitched song and insulating feathers help it endure chilly climates.